Hello, welcome. This is Brigitte Adofwe Japan. Do you read personal development books? This is one personal development books I have. This another, and also this another. I'm just showing you some of the personal development books that I have. But I want to ask you this question. Why do you read personal development books? I know you read a lot. This is just a small portion that you read, but I know you read a lot. Why do you read personal development books? And what are some of your favorite books? For me, this is my first book that changed my life. Unlimited Power by Tony Robbins. You can see it's old. Also, why do you read personal development books? And also, I want to ask you this. If you are in these two groups, then stop reading personal development group. Stop reading personal development books if you are in this group. I insist, stop reading personal development books if you are in this group. These are the group. One of the group is those who buy books. They buy a lot of personal development books, more than this one, and then put it on their shelf and then look at it each day but don't read it. And the second group is those who do what you have done, well, you read personal development books but you don't implement it. What is stopping you from implementing this lessons inside these books and more? I know these are just small, it's not particularly to these books, but what is stopping you from implementing it? I'll start with group one. What is the reason why you don't want to touch your personal development books and read? You know the reason why you bought it, because 99% of books, personal development books, are bought because of a reason, because of a need. There is a need to change some things in their life, a need to solve or to help people know more about self-love, independence, life, motivation, or something to uplift you. There is a reason why you bought the personal development book. Someone recommended that it's good for negotiation, so you bought it. And why aren't you reading it? Is it because you don't get the time? If you don't get the time, you need to start implementing goals and then read it. Let's say 10 pages or 10 minutes a day of each of the book will do you good. So don't stop doing that. I don't want you to do that. I don't want you to lag behind, because there is a reason why you bought personal development books. This book is my book and it talks about purpose. So if you buy this book, there is a reason why you are buying this book. And if you buy it and put it on your shelf like that without reading it, then my friend, you are not doing yourself good. So stop that and move forward. Stop that and be a good person. Stop that and improve your life. Stop that and improve your confidence. Stop that. I need you to improve yourself. And also group 2, I haven't forgot about you. You do, or you buy this book, you buy this book, you buy this book. When it comes to buying book, you are good at it, because most of us, I know there are a lot. When you go to Goodreads, there are lots. They sometimes assess the number of books you have read, and you want to be on top of your game and say that, oh, I've read this book, You want to read a lot in the year, let's say 60 books a year. So you want to meet your goal and you are just reading it. So how long will you stop doing that, my friend? Reading is good and implementing is the best. So when you pick, when you pick among these books, let's say when you pick Rule of Life, There are reasons why rule of life can be good for you. Rule of life is for you, everything about life. And they have partnership rules, and also social rules, and family and friends rules. So there is a reason why, let you pick family and friends. When you pick family and friends, you know that you want to improve your relationship with your friends, so you use this book so that you implement it in your life. And when you read it and you don't implement it, it is not good, my friend. It is not good. So better still, implement it. Even if the whole all the 52 books you read in a year, the whole year, you are able to implement, let's say, 5 of the books, you have done well. It is an achievement. So I don't want you to just read it and put it there and tell your friends or family or people near you, oh, I've read 52 books, I've read 60 books in 2022. Stop that. Read it and implement it. Read it. When you follow some people, they will tell you all the lessons in the book, but ask them, how many of the lessons have you read from a particular book is implemented in your life? Nothing to say. They are just saying it for saying sake. I want to see evidence in your life. Apply it. If you have read personal development books and you are implement it, I want you to say, I am in group 2. I want you to type in the comment, I am in group 2. And if you are in group 1, I want you to also type, I am in group 1. Who knows? This is a community, so it can help you. We can help you to also read books and achieve your goals. So if you love what I do, you know what to do. You just subscribe and like it, and don't forget to share, because successful people always interbreed knowledge, wisdom, and love. When you share things, people will get it, and also you widen your knowledge, you widen your wisdom, and you widen your love. Thank you for joining, and bye bye.